Now let's take a look at the cohort Generation Z. Generation Z is the youngest generation within the workforce, but will be the generation to take over as our future leaders. Unfortunately, they lack a lot of skills that are needed to be successful in the workplace. Now, they grew up learning how to use Xboxes, videos, television systems, computers, anything electronic. However, they lack soft skills. And soft skills are defined as people skills. And people skills include communication, active listening skills, building relationships, being sociable, adding those networks that are needed to progress, taking the initiative, learning how to lead, and again, being sociable, knowing how to interact with others in the workplace. Now, unfortunately, Generation Z would rather communicate via text and email. Unfortunately, that's not how it is usually in the workforce. Generally, you work in teams. You have to interact with each other. You have to network with people within the organization and those outside of the organization that you are providing business to.